Hi, it's Thursday, May 3rd. My name is Victoria Ballant and you are watching Axiory's broadcast. Let's start with Axiory's technical outlook for the euro-dollar. Price is approaching support S1 and fall below this level will be suggesting next target at S2 support. But if price rebounds soon, we can expect retesting daily pivot, and further rise will focus on R1 resistance, and also it will negate previous conclusions. Based on the conclusions for each indicator in our analysis, we're expecting a bearish trend today. After that, according to our outlook for the dollar-yen, as long as price holds below daily pivot, target remains at S1 support. But if price will have enough momentum, it could reach resistance R1 and further rise isn't excluded. A vast majority of our indicators expect a bearish trend today. Next up, the sterling dollar's outlook. Price fell below daily pivot and further fall will focus on support S1. But if price rebounds and rise above daily pivot, we can expect objective at R1 resistance. Based on Axiory's chosen indicators and chart analysis, we can assume a bearish trend. Finally, our outlook for the dollar franc. If price holds above daily pivot, we can expect rise towards resistance R1. Break above this level will be indicating next objective at R2 resistance. The vast majority of our indicators and chart analysis in the dollar franc show a bullish trend. Our first news for today will be released at 9:30 a.m. GMT, and it will concern services PMI in the UK. It is expected to rise 54.4 points, which indicates industry expansion. In the previous report, PMI rose 55.3 points. Moreover, it is expected a high impact on the sterling. Next at 12:45 p.m. GMT, ECB will release monthly data about minimum bid rate. It is expected interest rates will remain at 1% and it will have a high impact on the euro. Department of Labor in the United States is going to publish weekly figures about unemployment claims. In the previous survey, claims were at 388,000 and now is expected decline to 381,000. A high impact on the dollar can be awaited. Last news will be released at 3 p.m. GMT. The Institute for Supply Management will report survey about manufacturing PMI in the U.S. It is expected slight change from 56 to 55.5 points and a high impact on the dollar. And before we finish, Axiory brings you a short overview of the best traders on Axiory, giving the opportunity for other traders and investors to join their trading strategies. MHFX01 strategy remains first with 856.2 pips in Mirror Trader, but DBS intraday jumped to second position with 152.5 pips. At third place is now Tayo strategy with 123 pips, which fell from second place. Low Risk Invest added 219.1% from yesterday and remains first. V9 Direct also rose, but only 3.7%, and at third place is now Forex strategy with 225.2%. On the downside, LW Trading recorded 43% loss. Whitestone Asset remained at 448%, and Joiny Jang rose 4%. And on this date in 1973, the Sears Tower in Chicago was topped out at 1,451 feet as the world's tallest building. All of us here wish you a successful and productive day. So until next time, thanks for watching Axiory's broadcast. Goodbye.